my drill! Little bastard.
Is there something wrong?
Yeah, you're wrong. Sleep with one eye open, you little.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Brillare channel. Today, me and the gang are out in Wellard, here at this recently built house. We're going to do a full lighting upgrade to the entire house, putting up downlights all throughout. So we're taking out where they put the old batten holders in the center of the room. I'm going to be getting rid of those, putting in a couple downlights in each room. It's going to look way more modern and sleek. As well as that, we're going to put in some new GPOs, so a couple quad power points and double power points throughout the house, a couple dimmers and just a couple other things just to make the client's life a little better, make everything look a bit more modern and sleek. And yeah, we're going to get cracking into it. The boys are already in there, started marking up and everything. So we'll hop in there, help them out, start drilling all the downlights out, and then I'll have to hop in the roof and start wiring everything up. Should be a nice and straightforward job. We've got tiled roof, hopefully nice, it's timber frame, I already know that, so it shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully we can smash it out real quick, get out of here on time. Let's get to it. So 2035. So right now I'm just measuring out. There's a pendant that's going to go over the dining table, so we're just trying to line up everything so it's nice and straight throughout. So this is my center point here, so we just got to mimic that over there, make sure that everything's going to line up perfectly once everything's in. And then yeah, there's a couple more going on either side, a couple more downlights going either side of this kitchen. We just make sure, double, triple, quadruple check here at Brillare, just make sure that everything's going to be perfect once we go to install everything. And obviously that everything's nice and straight, the client's happy, everything's in the right spot. The bench is 2400. Yeah, Ross, it's 2400. Ross, it's 2400.
Elephant. Emerald. Elbow.
Ear.
11. Everyone.
Eating.
Everything I do for you. Evelyn.
eBay.
Ecuador.
Oh, that's fucking hard.
Eave.
Fuck that movie. So at this point we've got everything marked out and checked. Riley is just going around and starting to cut the holes while me and Ross are I'm going to hop up right now and he's going to poke up the cables for me. We're going to start wiring up behind them, so that at least by the time that Riley's finished cutting out, we're pretty much wired up, and then we can start doing a quick fit off of plug bases and quick connect, hook up the downlights, and then we've got to focus on a couple pendants and whatnot still to do. But hopefully it's not too bad. The roof from here looks all right, bit tight. Pretty dusty, so we got the mask out, a good old trusty mask, but yeah, should be a breeze. Alright guys, so I'm just here. When we're installing new downlights, we always have to reuse the old feed and old connections to the switches, because obviously some switches are on internal walls, so there's no way to rerun cables, and there's also no need. But we like to, obviously, when we're redoing it, we have the old feed and switch in the roof from where the old light used to be. Because we're replacing old bayonets that used to be in the center, they often don't reach the new downlights, so we have to run an additional cable, which is what I'm doing now. Just got Ross to feed me up a cable. So this cable is going to connect into the feed up here, and then connect down in the downlights into the 413s. So right now I'm just going to connect this in and then put a junction box on it, just so it's all safe and secure. And yeah, ideally when we do it, we hope that they can reach the new downlight, but in this case quite a few of them have had to junction just real quick. It's a bit more time, but you know, yeah, it makes it work still, and it's all good in the end.
Yeah guys, so we're just going to install the chandelier. We love the crystal chandelier to be installed. And as you can see, the ceiling is quite low, so we have to reduce the hooks of the chandelier to make it quite short. So the way we're going to install it, we're going to tie to a wire in the actual roof space where we hang to the main structure, and then we will hang to the chandelier hook. I will go up in the ceiling space, tie it up, Riley will hold it, and then we will hook it up, and hopefully it will be nice and firm in the ceiling and it won't come down. So we'll just get it done. I'll go up in the ceiling, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Okay guys, so we just have installed the chandelier in the dining room. Like I was explaining before, we have it secured with really heavy rods from the actual roof structure. And now we have the old feed, which used to feed a small LED batten in the ceiling, and we're gonna just connect it with the new cable from the chandelier. We're gonna junction it, and yeah, then the chandelier should be all ready to go. I already had all the globe installed, so once I do the connection, we pretty much this job is completed, and yeah, we should be able to go to the next one. Jamie is wiring up all the LED downlights. He's doing a great job. We're moving fast. Today we have a new apprentice on board as well. We're doing a trial. We're going to see him after, see how he's doing. And yeah, we got all the team here, so I think this job is gonna go pretty fast today. So yeah, just let's keep moving and we'll show you the next job.
That's it!
We're just installing a pendant lights over the island bench from MFL by Mason. MFL is one of the brand that Beacon Light supplies, one of the high brand, really expensive, made in Australia. One of the many brands made in Australia. And yeah, we can feel it. It's expensive because it's quite heavy. So usually when we install the pendants over the island bench, we try to be towards the front of the island bench. We don't go in the actual middle. Otherwise people when they like wash dishes or use the kitchen, it may be in the way. So yeah, now we're just adjusting the height, make sure the pendant is not too low. And hopefully the clients will be happy with the height that we're gonna decide. And then we're gonna try to explain why we choose this height. Usually it's a standard height from the standard. But usually as long as the pendant isn't like out of your head, so you don't actually crash your head, it should be quite easy to adjust it.
Lights that are going in the eaves around the house. So Ross has just gone to get the snake, get some cable, and he's just going to have to feed me each one individually. And then I think they're all switching with the alfresco lights, so I'm going to bring them all pretty much to here and then connect them all up, and then I can finally hop out of the roof.
Waiting on James to tie on up there, bring the loop out to here, and then we'll continue it on to the alfresco. So when they turn on the alfresco, all these lights will turn on. Adds a bit more brightness obviously at night and a bit more extra security because it's no lights down here whatsoever, so it'll get pretty dark. So just put a couple of downlights in. Scissors.
Wait, what are you doing behind your head?
Because you'll cheat.
Put your hand down.
1, 2, 3,
go.
I win. I won.
Oh, best of 3.
Alright.
Who actually won?
I won
You
it.
put out 2 hands.
Yeah, that's not a rule. Yeah, you can. Yeah, I can. What do you mean? This is a fucking bulk of the cutters cut through rock. 2-0 to me.
1-0 to James.
Scissors, paper, rock.
It is. Hey Ross. Hey mate. Are you coming? What's taking you so long? So Ross lost paper, scissors, rock, and he had to get in the roof. But it's taken him about 10 minutes to get halfway across the roof so far. So Riley's just ringing the client at the moment. Just these 2 up-down lights at the front. Because it's a garage, commonly in Australia, it's just 2 pieces of brick together. There's not exactly any cavity. So if we're not able to drill all the way up on the angle, we're going to have to put a bit of conduit behind, drill through the wall, put a bit of conduit and up into the roof. So he just wants to confirm with the client if they're happy with that. We just don't want to start drilling holes and then that's not what the client was after. So we just want to confirm, make sure that they're happy and everybody's happy, and yeah. So once he gets that, we'll do the go ahead, see what's going on. Ross is just sitting on the roof at the moment. A little bit of payback, which is good. All right, so we've got the 3 GPOs that we're installing, the brand new ones. We've drilled all the holes. I've gone around and just finished drilling the last one now and pop the snakes up for all of them. Now me and Ross are going to hop up on the roof, open up some tiles. Hopefully they'll be right there. And we're going to pull them up and bring them to one of the other GPOs in the master. And then for the one near the fish tank over there, we're going to bring to a GPO on the same wall outside. That way it's just nice and easy. We can just run it through the cavity without any problems. No need to hop back into the roof again. And then Riley's just heard back from the client about the front lights, about those up-down lights that I was talking about before. So we're just going to drill straight through and then run a bit of conduit up. Just as obviously there's nowhere to run the cable without a cavity. So we're gonna, after we finish doing these, we're gonna smash those out, and then it's just about fitting everything off. Awesome guys, so thank you for joining us on this job today. As you can see, we've smashed out these downlights. Riley's just about to go turn them on and power them up. They're gonna look great, I'm sure. We finished those GPOs as well. They're all powered up. So now the client has power to the fish tank as well as power next to the bedsides and in the office for that treadmill. Apart from that, we've just finished, Ross is just installing some dimmers in a couple of the bedrooms, and that's about it. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing us as we've crawled through every part of this roof and cut out just about every single downlight hole. Apart from that, guys, I'll get a like, comment and subscribe down below. And until next time, catch ya. I know that's pretty shit, but...